welcome you all. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 11 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is tenses. So, in this chapter we are going to talk about the tenses. तो अब ये tenses क्या होते हैं? Let us read the chapter and find out. So, first of all, they say, read the following sentences. तो अब जल्दी से इन sentences को पढ़ते हैं. Right? Ravi is in Mumbai. Pooja is ill. Ravi was in Mumbai. Pooja was ill. Ravi will be in Mumbai tomorrow. Pooja will go to the doctor. Right? So, in sentences 1 and 2, the verb is shows the present time. The sentence 1 और 2 में जो verb है is, वो हमें present time को show कर रही है. The verb that refers to the present time is said to be in the present tense. ऐसी verb जो रेफर करती है present time को, उसे कहा जाता है present tense में. Right? Next, in sentences 3 and 4, the verb was shows the time that has gone by. Sentences 3 और 4 में जो verb है was, वो time show करता है gone by को use करके. The verb that refers to the past time is said to be in the past tense. कि जो verb है जो रेफर करता है past time को, उसे कहा जाता है past tense में. Right? In sentences 4 and 5, the verb will shows the time that will come in future. Sentences 5 और 6 में जो will है वो हमें time show कर रहा है जो कि future में यानी आने वाले time में आएगा. The verb that refers to the future time is said to be in the future tense. तो ऐसी verb जो हमें future time के बारे में बताती है उसे future tense कहा जाता है. Right? Thus, there are 3 main tenses. तो इसीलिए 3 main tenses होते हैं. Right? The present tense, it tells us that the action is happening now. कि जो present tense है वो हमें बताता है कि जो action है वो actually अब भी perform किया जा रहा है. The past tense, it tells us that the action took place in the past. जो past tense है वो हमें बताता है कि जो action है उसने वो past tense में किया गया था. The future tense, it tells us that the action will take place in the future. अब जो future tense है ये हमें बताता है कि जो action है वो actually future में perform किया जाएगा. Right? Now, moving ahead, we have the topic which is forms of verb used in tenses. अलग अलग tense के लिए अलग अलग verb forms use की जाती हैं. So let me tell you what are they. They are the simple present tense, that is the first form of the verb. The simple past tense, that is the second form of the verb. The third is the past participle, which is the third form of the verb. Right? So, next we have act, acted, acted. Arrive, arrived, arrived. Awake, awoke, awoken or awakened. Arise, arose, arisen. Ask, asked and asked. Become, became, become. Begin, began, begun. Break, broke, broken. Burn, burnt, burnt. Buy, bought, bought. Right? Moving ahead, we have a lot more words. A list of words is given to you. You can read them by yourself and be aware of all the three verb forms for each and every verb. Right? We have a lot more list over here that is present. Yes. After that, when we move ahead, we get the next topic, which is kinds of tenses. अब बात की जाए tenses के kinds के बारे में. So let's see what are they. So the very first topic is the simple present tense. तो अब बात की जा रही है simple present tense के बारे में. So it says read these sentences. तो हम जल्दी से इन sentences को पढ़ते हैं. I brush my teeth daily. The sun rises in the east. She likes mangoes. In the above sentences, all the colored words are verbs. तो इन सभी sentences में जो colored words हैं, वो सभी verbs कहलाते हैं. These verbs are in the simple present tense. ये सभी verbs simple present tense में है. Right? In the simple present tense, the first form of the verb play, write, go, etc. is used with I, we, you, they and all plural subjects. तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में जो फर्स्ट फॉर्म है वर्ब का जो कि है प्ले, राइट और गो, वो यूज किए गए हैं आई, वी, यू, दे और सभी प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स के साथ. राइट? S and ES is added to the first form of the verb with he, she or it and all the singular subjects. और जहाँ हमने वर्ब में s और es ऐड किया गया है वहाँ पर हमने सभी सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स को यूज किया है जैसे कि he, she and it. Right? Next, moving ahead. The next topic that we have is the simple past tense. तो अब बात करते हैं सिंपल पास्ट टेंस के बारे में जो कि है read these sentences. तो अब जल्दी से इन sentences को पढ़ते हैं. It is Gurmeet played hockey. Shravan sang a song. Nimesh ate a mango. Right? So, the verbs in these sentences are in the simple past tense. के verbs जितनी भी इन सभी sentences में है वो actually use की गई हैं simple past tense में, which is used for the actions completed in the past, जो कि use किया जाता है अपने actions के लिए जो कि past में complete हो चुके थे. Right? In the simple past tense, the second form of the verbs played, wrote, went, etc. is used. कि simple past tense में जो second form of the verb है played, wrote और went, etc. वो use की गई है. Right? Next is the simple future tense. So अब बात की जाए simple future tense के बारे में. So it is Read these sentences. तो अब जल्दी से इन sentences को पढ़ते हैं, right? Tom will play football. The rain will stop shortly. I shall go there, right? So, in the simple future tense, the verbs will and shall indicate that the action will take place in the future. तो अब ये जो सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस में वर्ब्स हैं विल और शैल, ये हमें बताती हैं कि जो एक्शन है वो एक्चुअली आने वाले टाइम में परफॉर्म किया जाएगा, राइट? नेक्स्ट, मूविंग अहेड टू द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस। तो अब अगर बात की जाए प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस के बारे में, सो इट विल से रीड दी सेंटेंसेस। तो अब जल्दी से इन सेंटेंसेस को पढ़ते हैं, राइट? Such as Nehra is lifting the weight. Cows are grazing in the field. I am watching TV, right? So, all the colored words are verbs in the present continuous tense. कि जितने भी colored words हैं वो सभी verbs हैं, राइट? जो कि अपने प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस में यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं, as they denote an action that is going on or continuing at the present time. Why they are in the present continuous tense? क्योंकि ये हमें बताते हैं एक ऐसा एक्शन जो कि अभी परफॉर्म किया जा रहा है, अभी भी कंटिन्यूटी में है, राइट? उस बारे में। Next, we have the past continuous tense. अब ये past continuous tense कौन सा है? Let's read it. So read these sentences. Prabha was baking a cake. Girls were playing badminton in the morning. The cat was chasing the rat. Right? So, the verbs in these sentences are in the past continuous tense. तो जो verbs अब हमने यहाँ पर इन sentences में पढ़ी वो actually अपने past continuous tense में है, which is used for actions that were going on or continuing at some time in the past. तो ये verbs अपने past continuous tense में है जो कि हमें बताती है कि ये actions कुछ point पर continue किए गए थे, right? यानी कि ये बीते हुए समय में continuity में थे, right? Next, we have the future continuous tense. तो अब बात की जाए future continuous tense के बारे में, so it says read these sentences. तो अब जल्दी से इन sentences को पढ़ते हैं, right? So this, I will be cooking when Pooja comes. Ramesh will be waiting for us at the station. Manav shall be playing tomorrow, right? So, the verbs in these sentences are in the future continuous tense. तो जितनी भी colored words हैं यहाँ पर वो सभी verbs हैं और वो सभी अपने future continuous tense में बताई गई है, as they denote an action that will be going on or continuing at some time in the future. तो ये ऐसी verbs हैं जो कि हमें बताते हैं कि जो एक्शन है वो आने वाले टाइम में परफॉर्म किया जाएगा एक कंटिन्यूटी के साथ, राइट? सो दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट द चैप्टर टेंसेस. I hope you all are clear with the tenses, their kinds, as well as also the verb forms that were given in this chapter, right? So that was all from my side. Begin with the practice worksheet of chapter number 11, right? So let's begin with the very first exercise, that is the multiple choice questions, MCQs, right? So it says there are dash main tenses. तो कितने main tenses हैं? And the options are 2, 3 or 4. So there are totally 3 main tenses. So we'll write 3 over here. Then the past form of arise is dash. So it is arose, arisen, arises, right? So the past form of arise is arose. So it is AROSE, arose, right? Then the past participle form of begin is. So begin की जो past participle form है वो क्या होगी? And the options are begun, began or begins. So it is begin, right? BEGUN. Correct? Then next, the future tense tells us about the dash action. कि जो future tense है वो हमें कौन से actions के बारे में बताता है. And the options are past, present or future. So future tense tells us about the future actions, right? So we'll write future over here. Correct? Then moving ahead. Now we have exercise 2, which says fill in the blanks using suitable words in simple present tense to know how a butterfly begins its journey of life. तो यहाँ पर हमें सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का यूज करना है इस पैराग्राफ को कंप्लीट करने के लिए बाय यूजिंग द वर्ड्स इन द बॉक्स, राइट? सो इट इज द बटरफ्लाई डैश लाइफ एज एन एग ऑन अ leaf, राइट? तो a butterfly begins life as an egg on a leaf. Out of the egg dash a tiny caterpillar. Out of an egg comes a tiny caterpillar. It dash the leaf and dash very fast. It eats the leaf and grows very fast. A hard covering dash. A hard covering develops and the caterpillar turns into pupa. After several days, the pupa splits open and a beautiful butterfly crawls out. Right? Clear? Then next, we have fill in the blanks with simple present tense form of the verbs. तो अब हमें यहाँ पर भी सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस वर्ब फॉर्म की यूज करनी है और उन्हें सेंटेंसेस को फिल करना है. The tailor dash nice dresses. The tailor stitches nice dresses. Next, we dash bread and cake from the bakery. We bring bread and cake from the bakery. Next, plants dash their food with the help of sunlight. Plants make their food. Next, the baby dash when he is hungry. The baby cries when he is hungry. Next, Swati likes to dash novels. Swati likes to read nose. Correct? Then next, moving ahead, we have the exercise which says change the following sentences into simple past tense. One has been done for you. तो आपको इन सभी sentences को अब past tense में change करना है. So the first statement says their parents go for a walk after dinner. So it can be written as their parents went for a walk after dinner. Correct? Next, the students are clever and answer all the questions correctly. So, it can be written as the students were clever and answered all the questions correctly. Clear? Then, Rita studies French in school. So, it can be Rita studied French in school. Correct? Then next, he pays the bill and takes the parcel. So it should be he paid the bill and took the parcel. Correct? Then I fly an aeroplane, such as I flew an aeroplane. Correct? Then next, it is fill in the blanks with the future tense form of the verb given in the box. तो अब जल्दी से फिलअप्स भरते हैं फ्यूचर टेंस के साथ. इन सभी सेंटेंसेस में इन सभी वर्ड्स को चूज करके जो कि हमें बॉक्स में दिए गए हैं, राइट? सो इट इज आई एम 7 years old. Next year I dash 8 years old. I will be 8 years old. Right? Next, our exams dash next week. Our exams will start next week. Next, I dash my bath later. I will take my bath later. Next, we dash to the beach tomorrow. We will go. You dash fat if you eat too much. You will grow fat if you eat too much. Next, we dash in a moment. We will play in a moment. Next, give me the knife, you dash yourself. Give me the knife, you will hurt yourself. Will hurt. Next, dash we James in the hospital tomorrow. So, dash we dash. So, it should be will we visit James tomorrow in the hospital, right? Next is dash we dash a game of chess after school. So, it is will we play a game of chess after school? Dash you dash me with this sum, right? Will you help me with this sum? So it is, will you help me with this sum, right? Next, using shall, complete these sentences. So, अब हमें sentences को complete करना है with the help of shall, right? So it says, if the sun comes out, I, or it can be B, shall feel hot, right? Next, if it rains, I shall not go to school, right? Next, if the train is late, dash. If the train is late, we shall not reach on time. Correct then. Next, if I am hungry, I shall eat everything. Next, if you do some exercise, we shall go together. Right? Clear? Next. Now we have the exercise that says fill in the blanks with the correct verb from the brackets. तो अब हमें इन ब्रैकेट्स में से करेक्ट वर्ब को चूज करना है और उसके बाद इन सेंटेंसेस को कंप्लीट करना है. So let's see how we can do this. So it says, I dashed the book last week. I read the book. I read the book last week. Next is, she dashed to the dentist next Monday. She will go. Next, my father dashed 50 yesterday. My father was 50 yesterday. Next, Mary dashed late for school yesterday. Mary was late for school yesterday. Right? Then, my uncle dashed from Mumbai last week. My uncle returned from Mumbai last week. Next, I dash tomorrow morning. I shall phone tomorrow morning. Next, the bus always dash late. The bus always comes late. Next, she dash her hair twice a week. She washes her hair twice a week. Correct? Then next we have fill in the correct present tense from the verbs given in brackets. तो अब हमें ब्रैकेट्स में से करेक्ट वर्ब फॉर्म को चूज करके भरना है. So it says Rita dash French in school. Rita studies. Next, the children dash the experiment carefully. The children watched. She dashed pictures from a book. She copied. Next, Kathy's energy dash everyone. Kathy's energy astonished everyone. Next, she never dashed a class. She never missed a class. Next, Tom dashed his arms over his head. Tom stretched his arms over his head. The boy dashed the painting on the wall. The boy fixed the painting on the wall. The students dashed their food with each other. The students shared their food with each other. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all got the things. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.